Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Qasim Sajjad and you're watching the Ace Views. Most of us love traveling to Turkey to explore cities steeped in history, amazing beaches, and beautiful countryside to make our vacations memorable. Turkey does offer a lot to its tourists, but mainly people visit the famous places like Grand Bazaar, Blue Mosque, Galata Tower, and Bosphorus in Istanbul, Kemal Atatürk's mausoleum in Ankara, Maulana Rumi's mausoleum in Konya, have a balloon ride in Cappadocia, or visit some exotic beaches in Antalya. Today, I am again connecting with Dr. Najat to learn about some not so known must visit places in Turkey. So next time you plan a trip to Turkey, you can have them in your itinerary. He has explored 79 out of 81 main cities of Turkey. And based on his traveling experience, I give a very high weightage to his recommendations. Explore his recommendations whenever you get a chance and thank me later. So, let's roll. Thank you, Dr. Najat. Thank you very much for giving me some time again to connect with my audience. I truly appreciate that. Today, actually, I wanted to learn from you that what are the not so known must visit places in Turkey based on your travel experience in Turkey. So, can you tell us some of the places that you recommend to my audience when they travel to Turkey?
You're welcome. Thank you. It's pleasure to me again with you in a new video. I can recommend 3 cities in Turkey. The first one is Hatay. In Hatay, in this city, you can find the second largest collection of Roman mosaics in the world. And also you can visit Church of St. Peter. You can take a tour to waterfalls at the Harbiye, and you can pray in Habibi Neccar Mosque, the oldest one in Anatolia. You should taste künefe in Antakya also. That's for Hatay.
So this was Hatay. I, frankly speaking, didn't know about the city at all. So, I hope that I will next time I'll visit Turkey, I will surely be visiting this. So, is there anything else that you wanted to add the list?
I also add Mardin city to this list. In Mardin, there are so many Islamic and Christian monuments in Mardin province. 2 of the oldest monasteries in the world are in Mardin. Mardin is a city that people living together with peace from so many cultures and different religions. You should try içli köfte as a meal in Mardin.
Wow, Dr. Najat, I will surely be adding this to my itinerary next time I visit Turkey. So, what is the next number 3?
Number 3 is Urfa, Şanlıurfa. Urfa is one of the ancient cities in the world with 2 significant Neolithic sites at Nevali Çori and Göbekli Tepe. The world's oldest known megaliths are in Göbekli Tepe. According to Jewish and Muslim sources, Urfa is the hometown of Prophet Ibrahim. Islam first arrived in Urfa. Its unique cuisine is combination of the many civilizations. You should eat ciğer in Urfa.
Great knowledge. Can we have a 4th one?
Maybe I can share a 4th one for you. This city will be Trabzon. Trabzon is the northern side of Turkey and have so many touristic places dating back to ancient empires. It's also land of tea. You should visit Sumela Monastery and Uzungöl Lake, forests and plateaus of Trabzon. The special food I suggest in Trabzon is kuymak.
Thank you very much.
It's my pleasure to share these with the Pakistani brothers.
I hope you learned about some new worth visiting places in Turkey. I will inshallah try to make more videos with Dr. Najat whenever he comes back to Pakistan or I get a chance to visit Turkey. Let me know your feedback via comments and I will see you inshallah in the next video. Until then, allow me, Qasim Sajjad, to sign off. Allah Hafiz.